Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to beat the prime wall in 1 minute in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Key strategies to defeat the Prime War in once human first prepare your gear and ammunition, craft red plasma missiles to penetrate the boss's shield. This requires a specific specialization in materials. Bring biomass missiles for the secondary bosses and normal enemies. Ensure you have enough ammunition and food buffs like corn ale to protect your sanity. Next, organize your team. Assign a leader to coordinate the team and ensure everyone knows their roles. Split into 2 groups to build separate outposts on the hills. Prioritize targets. Red plasma missiles for the main boss, biomass missiles for secondary bosses, and melee for adds. Next, construct effective fortifications. Build walls and fences around the steroid resonator to slow down enemies. Set up Gatling cannons loaded with explosive rounds or Molotovs to strip the boss's shield. Bring materials for building and weapons for other players. Next, adapt your strategy. The Prime War features a unique boss, Manibus, who spawns with 2 secondary bosses on nightmare difficulty. Use explosives and fire to quickly strip Manibus's shield. Be prepared for potential server issues like lag, freezes, and stutters during the battle. By following these strategies and working together as a team, you can increase your chances of successfully defeating the Prime War bosses and earning valuable rewards. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. Do consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.